Hi, in the previous section, I have introduced the Lambda framework to create Lambda functions from a Net20 light AWS-lambda repository. And in this section, I'm going to introduce the specification we are going to use to generate Lambda functions. So here is the specification. We normally put the specification and the light-codegen configuration into this this repository called a model config. This can be found on the Net20 organization as well. So within the model config, we have a Lambda folder, and within the Lambda folder, we have PyStore. So let's go back to the editor. We have this repository on the GitHub, but it's easy to walk through the editor. Within this PyStore folder, you can see we have config image JSON, config proxy JSON, and config zip JSON. This time, we're going to use config zip. That meaning we're going to generate Lambda functions using the zip format so that we can upload our zip file, the finished Java jar files, upload to the AWS so that we can trigger the Lambda function from there. The other way to upload Lambda function, you can use customized Docker image so that you can have your own Docker runtime. And this is another way you can use this configuration. So if you look at the configuration for the generator, we have the version, group ID, artifact ID, and root package, handler package, model package. And here, this is an important factor. The package Docker, we make this false. So default will be Docker. Otherwise, it's zip. And use light proxy is false because we are now using light proxy for this demo or tutorial. Override handler test, override model, and generate model only. Those are these values are true, and the generate model only is false. So this is the configuration for the generator when we scaffold new project. The specifications here. This is the traditional PyStore specification. Is OpenAPI 3.0. You can see we have 4 endpoints. We have a /paths, get, and post. We also have /paths /path ID with a path parameter, and we also get we have a get and a delete. So basically, we have all different types of requests in this specification, and within this specification, we define the object paths and arrow. We also have some validation rules. For example, for the path store. So you can see for the paths, if we want to get all the paths, we do have we have security definition here. We also have the query parameter, but this is optional. And when we do the post, we have required body required is true, and for this one we have path ID is required path parameter. Yeah. So this is the specification. It's very simple, and it's the standard PyStore. So we're going to use this specification to scaffold a new project with 4 different Lambda functions, along with configuration for the API gateway and the customized authorizer. Okay, that's it for this section. Then the next section, we're going to scaffold the project. Thanks. Bye.